Hey guys, it's Sunday and we've got a few upgrades on the Toyota Tundra. Okay, so what did I do? Well, we added some tint on the driver and passenger side door windows. Came out really nice and smooth, and it really helps with the look because those windows are so big, there was so much light coming through. We also did a strip on the front windshield. I think you can see it pretty good here. What else? Replaced a broken door handle over the weekend and changed out the air filter to a K&N air filter, which gives the truck even a throatier sound that it had before. You guys all know I'm running what am I running? A Flowmaster. Sorry about that, guys. You guys know I got the Allen rack. Came out pretty cool, guys. Sun's coming down pretty harsh, so there's going to be a lot of glare on this video. But other than that, man, this is my 2005. I'm sorry, guys. That glare is really strong. My 2005 Toyota Tundra. She's a V6, but she sounds like a massive V8. Just a really cool truck. Really enjoying it. 4-inch lift, 33-inch tires. You just can't go wrong with this old truck. Just runs really smooth. Oil's beautiful. What else? Just the engine's in top shape. All the instrument panel, everything's running beautiful. Good battery. It runs nice and cool. Oil levels are always good on it. So just a good old truck. I shouldn't say oil levels. Oil pressure is always good on the truck. So, it's been well taken care of. The outside has all its bruises, its scratches, its scars, which really just adds to the patina of the truck, but more importantly, adds to its character. Just a good old truck. Not worried about scratching it up, not worried about where you leave it. It's just a good old truck. Yeah, I'm sure somebody's going to try to snatch it one day, but that's okay. I'm fully insured. Gonna miss it, but I take good care of the truck, and hopefully she lasts as long as I last. All right, guys. If you like, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you all soon.